I don't know why it's so hard for me to think and talk at the same time. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be doing an unboxing. I have the brand new XIO box for the month of September and we are going to be unboxing this for you guys today. That is right, you guys. I do get this box every month. If you do not know, XIO is a jewelry subscription box and it is $60 a month, but with tax it comes out to be like 70 bucks a month, so it is quite expensive. I'm not gonna lie. But you guys, if you would like to see what kind of jewelry we did end up getting in this box this month, then just keep on watching. So I did get this from the XIO website, and whenever you do sign up for the XIO bag, you can get it in silver or in gold, and then I do believe that you get like discounts off of the actual store. Let's open this baby up here. It always comes with these nice kind of satin kind of ties. This month's theme is September. Very cool. So in the back it shows you what you get, and I don't want to look at that just yet because I haven't looked at anything in this box. Super cute. I do like that. And we're gonna go ahead and just start from the left to right. So picking up this bag first. Oh, it looks like we have a bracelet. Okay, so it looks like we have a bracelet and a ring. Oh, how cute. I love this ring. Look at that. It's a cute little, it just has like a little diamond kind of thing in it. It can have some kind of gem. So this little ring is very cute already. I do like that. Ooh. This seems to be a bracelet. Very, very fancy. How do I tighten this? Huh? Oh, this is actually really cute. Look, how adorable. Don't pay attention to this. This is my leftover foundation. Look at that. Look how pretty. And it's kind of like, it looks very diamond-like, so it looks quite fancy. Real cute. And I'm not big into bracelets, but I like this one. So I went ahead and put the ring and this on. So let's go ahead and move on to the next bag. Got the middle one right here. Ooh, we've got some earrings. Oh my god, we've got two pairs. So we've got two pairs of earrings. Holy crap, these are so cool. One of them are these really, really cute, kind of like super basic studs. And they're like little diamonds. How adorable. Let me zoom you in because there is no way you're gonna be able to see those without that. Yeah, how cute are these? And then these are these hoops. Oh, I'm obsessed with these. These look so fancy. And then they got those little diamond things all the way around it. Oh yeah. These look so fancy. I love these. I'm gonna put these on. I'm not going anywhere fancy, but I still want to put them on because
I can be fancy in my house if I want to.
Oh, I love them. A lot. I wish I had my second holes done, like my second ear holes, piercings in my ears. You know what I'm talking about. But I love these earrings. I think these are probably the favorite thing in the box for me. I have one more bag left, but I gotta say, this probably takes the cake because it's just so pretty. And I put these guys
back in her.
And then we have one more bag, one moss bag. Let's see what is in. Oh, there's something already coming out. Oh, it's a necklace. Oh, it's a very tangled necklace. Okay, so this is the last thing and it looks like it's just a pretty little necklace. How nice. It kind of has the same theme as the other pieces, kind of like that diamond kind of look to it, kind of fancy look to it. Right here, if you can see that. I'm not really wearing a top. So my top says Geek on it and it's very high-necked. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put this on properly, but I can definitely try. I can try to make it more like a choker kind of situation. Oh, that kind of works. Okay, and so that kind of works. You can put it down a lot more and make it a bit longer, but since my top is so high-necked, I feel like it would look kind of weird if I let it all the way down, but yeah. So that was everything that was in the box. So now I want to go ahead and look at the back here and tally up how much everything was. Oh, it actually kind of says it for me here, so I don't have to do that. So the subtly blingy necklace right here is retail for $60. The Hotline Bling. The Hotline Bling hoops retail for $55. That's these right here. The blingy bracelet is $48. The mini bling ring is $35. And the single bling, the studs, those stud earrings, are $18. So the total value of the box is $216. So I don't think that is bad at all. Now you do pay $70 around that for the box, but you do get a value of $216. I do think these are some really pretty jewelry pieces. It's not something that I really see on the market that often. I do think they have a bit of creativity or like individuality. That's how you say that word. I do think they have a little bit of that whenever it comes to curating these boxes, because I do feel like there are things that I don't really see that often when it comes to jewelry. So good on them for that. I really enjoyed this box. I really do. These earrings are probably some of my favorite things that I've gotten. This bracelet's really cool. I'm not a big bracelet person, so I may not get much use out of it. Lies. All the lies. I've been wearing this bracelet almost every day since I've gotten the box, so yeah, I like it. It's pretty. The box in general, for me, I really did enjoy, so I would recommend it. If you did want to sign up for their box, I will have all of CEO's information in the description, so you can click the link and go to that. Yes, you guys, that is going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.